How to turn off or disable Windows Defender on your Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. First thing what you need to do is just head over to your search bar and just simply search in for Windows security option. So once you search in for that, you will be redirected to this page. So first thing you can easily come over to this virus and threat protection from over here and simply click on this manage settings and you can disable, and once you disable all of these options, your should be successfully disabled. So another way you can perform this action is just come over to your keyboard and hit the combination of Windows and R and simply type in regedit just like this. It will take you to Registry Editor. So now all you have to do is just click on this HKey local machine and simply select software. Under the software, you have to locate policies. From over here, as you can see, I've located my policies option. So simply enlarge it once again and click on this Microsoft and enlarge it also. And simply select this Windows Defender and right click on it and click on new and click on dword 32 value. And once you do that, just give it a name that is anti spyware and just add a disable option at the first and simply type in disable anti-spyware and just select hit the enter button and make sure you change the value to 1 and hit and click on OK just like this. And once you do all of that, make sure to restart your computer or PC and your issue should be fixed just like that. That is, your Windows Defender will be disabled. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.